Hi friends, welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. In today's video, I'm going to share how does Twilio make money. If you have no clue about what Twilio is, it's alright since it's not a consumer-facing company. It's in the B2B space that serves companies from startup to enterprises to help them communicate with customers. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. Jeff Lawson is the CEO of Twilio and is a co-founder of Twilio as well, which is a cloud communication platform that adds messaging, voice, and video to web and mobile apps. He launched his first internet startup while he was at the University of Michigan and went on to become the first CTO of ticket reseller StubHub. The serial entrepreneur went on to work at Amazon, where he helped build the technology behind Amazon Web Services. Along with two friends, Lawson started Twilio in 2008, then took it public in 2016. It now has 220,000 customers. Airbnb uses Twilio for its automated text messaging system, while Hulu relied on the platform to set up a call center. Twilio is a company that's focused on communication between the businesses and the customers. It uses channels like voice, text, chat, video, and email by virtualizing the world's communication infrastructure through API that are simple enough for any developer to use, yet robust enough to power the world's most demanding applications. By making applications a part of every software developer's toolkit, Twilio is enabling innovators across every industry, from emerging leaders to the world's largest organization, to reinvent how companies engage with their customers. These are the communication building blocks that Twilio has, which is voice and video that allow companies to make, receive, and control calls from any app, and design workflows with an API for advanced call control. They also have messaging, which allow companies to send and receive global SMS, MMS, and chat messages from any app and ensure deliverability using intelligent delivery features. And they also have authentications, which allow companies to strengthen the traditional login for websites, SaaS products, and mobile apps with a two-factor authentication service. These are the products that Twilio offers, which are solutions, services, channel APIs, and super network, as well as tools. And in one of the recent conferences organized by Twilio, these are some of the customers that Twilio has. You have companies from the travel industry such as Anna, websites such as GoDaddy, travel companies such as Airbnb, e-commerce websites such as Shopify and Mercado Libre, travel companies such as Uber, software companies such as Salesforce, payment companies such as Stripe, communication companies such as Twitch, banks such as Standard Chartered, as well as food delivery companies like Deliveroo. Besides building their own products, Twilio also acquires companies to grow their business as well. These are some of the companies that Twilio has acquired recently. The first one is Value First, which is a company that is quite similar to Twilio but is set up in India. The next one is a company called Segment, which provides customer data infrastructure that help businesses put their customers first. The other company is Tiravos, which is a hosted PBX platform for SMB and call centers and telephony API. SendGrid, which is a cloud-based customer communication platforms that drive engagement and business growth. And Electric Imp, which provides a secure IoT platform connecting cloud services with the real world. Based on the products that Twilio is offering and the target market they are looking at, they are addressing a very large and fast-growing market that is worth up to $110 billion in the year 2023. The products that Twilio offers are Customer Data Platform, Account Security, Unified Communication as a Service, Contact Center as a Service, Super Network, Channel APIs, Emails, and Marketing Campaigns. As more and more companies go online, communication with their customers is key. Hence, Twilio is at the forefront of providing this technology to these companies. What are your thoughts about Twilio and how do you think it will perform in the future? Thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something new today. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also let me know what you want to watch and who knows I will do a video about it. Have a good day ahead and bye bye.